We're talking about VLOOKUP function in this video. So the VLOOKUP function is used when we need to find things in a table or a range by row. So what VLOOKUP function does is that it looks up a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a value in the same row from the column we specify. The key term here is leftmost column of a table, and I'll show you why this is the key as we advance through the problem. So here we have a table called sales transaction for July 14th. And so there's a customer who calls representative about her payment issues, and she gives her customer ID. So say her customer ID is 10,466, and using the information she gives us, we're supposed to be finding the type of payment and transaction code. So we're going to go ahead and write a formula using VLOOKUP. First, to find the type of payment she used. So first, type VLOOKUP. The lookup value is 10,466. The table array is going to be whole table in this case, and I'll explain it to you why. So, like I said, the lookup value should always be in the leftmost column. So our customer ID, our lookup value is in the customer ID, so we can go ahead and select the whole table because it's in the leftmost column. Now we need the column index number, which obviously is 123 for the payment type. And we need the range lookup. True returns the close match and false returns exact match. So I'm going to go ahead and use false. So it gives out credit, which is correct. So we can go ahead and do the same thing for transaction code. It's going to be VLOOKUP. Lookup value is again 10,466. The table array is same thing, A3 through H475. Column index number for transaction code is 1234, and the type is false. 85660,114. This is correct. So what happens if our lookup value is not at the leftmost column? So say, since I have the transaction code with me now, I want to find out what kind of products she purchased using the transaction code. So for that, I'll go ahead and write the formula. And now my lookup value is 85660,114, and if I just use the whole table as I had done earlier, H475, the column index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the type is false. I get an error message which says not available. This is because our lookup value is in our lookup value, which is transaction code, is in fourth column. So instead of having the entire table as my table array, I should start with the transaction code. So my transaction code should be the leftmost column of my table array. So I'll go ahead and fix it. So it should be D3. Now it's my leftmost column. And also, since I've started my table from transaction code, the column index number will change, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says book. So this is one thing that we need to keep in mind while using the VLOOKUP function.